Something in there?
Whoa, I just got growled at. Wherever you are.
I'm getting some good chills right down to my ankles.
Yeah, whatever it is after him. Did you hear that?
That?
No. It repeated what I said.
Did
It said
it really?
after him.
Check that.
And it came from over here.
Mark the tape after him. Why are you after Jay? It's Todd walking.
Jay is vulnerable right now.
Why does that give you the right to go after him though?
It feeds our need.
There's more than one here?
Well, it's basically explaining what they do. I'm glad Tom's not here because he's not in a good state.
No. I could use him.
What?
Use him as bait.
I love bait. Yeah, you want to be bait?
Sounds like I already am.
Well, yeah.
Oops, that was me kicking your camera, sorry.
Well now, after hearing that, I'm a little pissed off.
There you go.
I had a back pain for a couple of weeks, but I don't feel nothing in here. I'm not even getting goosebumps anymore.
Okay, well, I just want you to stay in there. Okay, come out. Watch your doo-doo.
Yeah.